Reminder to all our athletes, please wear complete gear.
Please prepare on deck. Crystal Jade Quimado, red armor versus Nika Balibalos, blue armor. And Antoinette Odiok, red armor versus Egeline Between, blue armor.
Next match, please prepare Pregunta and Valispin. Proceed here to the waiting area in court number 2. Also prepare Tandok and Gistopa. Proceed here to the waiting area in court number 2. Again, last call for Pregunta and Valispin. Also calling Asi Cubero and Joel Mama, please occupy the vacant seats provided for you guys. Uzon and Pala, Sidilio and Dain.
Players,
Calling
palihog tagbalik sa lingkuranan, bay. Nawaan ng waiting area sa court number 3. Alaha. Sa kadaghan, ganina na. Nahimong na lang duwa.
calling Pregunta, red armor. Blue armor, Valispin. Come on, sunod. So east. Pag-anda mo mo.
For court number 3, we have a winner and a champion by split decision. Red, Ken Lester Tando. Next match, Sean Carlo Bulaga. Sean Carlo Bulaga. So, winner by default. Winner by default, red, Sean Carlo Bulaga. Next match, Adrian Gonzaga, red versus Armad Jan. On deck for ring number 3, Tristan Kai Bulaño, red versus Sean Carlo Bulaga, blue. Wala.
Please proceed to the court. Hazel